Mazatlán is in every way a reflection of Sinaloa. For some, it's a beautiful port of call in the North Pacific. For others, a place that has struggled through challenging times. But for people who live and grew up here, it is something else entirely. Mi Mazatlán. And they want to show the world what this city is to them. A beautiful, colorful, delicious place that has built itself back up and is living its future. I'm meeting up with two good friends, chefs Saji Telles and Luis Osuna, for a true local taste of Mazatlán.
This is like a Mexican cravings factory.
In my kitchen, oh, look how beautiful this looks! Recipes inspired by Luis's family restaurant, the iconic Sinaloan destination, Panama. A crazy chicken milanesa torta topped with chunky guacamole with a kick, chiles toreados.
Oh, the milanesa is so good.
And a creamy, smooth, oh so satisfying guava pie, straight from the Panama menu.
I don't really like guava, like generally, but I really like this pie.
Yeah.